Hello guys, welcome back to our Adventures. Today, let's explore daily life gardening. Recently, I have been planting some crops, fruits and vegetables. So, today I'm going to plant the easiest vegetables to grow on land. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, I have some onions and small onions with garlic. So let's plant it. Okay, with tools. Okay, let's plant small onions. You should keep it carefully inside, and I have fertilizer mixed with water. Okay, let's put some of it. Okay. And I have a tool right here to close it. First one done. And shape it right here. Okay. Let's go with the large onions. So I need to get a large hole for this. So first large onion. We should put some more fertilizer water. Okay, let's close it up. Okay, now let's start with garlic, and I have a cut here. We should cut it right here. Right at this neck part and take it. And break it up. Okay, let's dig it. Let's put one by one, because when we put two, it might get very big and the space must be not enough and it might poison and get stuff. Okay, take the water. Let's put one here. I have some more, but I don't have space to plant it. So let's do a final touch. So I have this tool, and we should scrub it here. So if you have these remains right here, you can just put it at the top. That's also the fertilizer for it. Let's take it. So I have some water here. Just pour it up. And I'll take some water. This is pure water. Okay, this is the finishing touch, and after 4 weeks it might be ready to pick it up. And this is my sister Alia. Bye guys.